Episode 16, Searching for the Thresher. This is the only shark that we know uses its tail to hunt. While searching for prey, it will use its tail to slap the water and stun fish before eating them. Very few animals in the ocean have evolved to do such a unique and interesting hunting method. That is why we love seeing these awesome sharks. They are found in tropical and temperate oceans across the globe. Unfortunately, these amazing animals are vulnerable to extinction due to drop in populations over many years. Because of their unique beauty and rare occurrence in the ocean, these fish have become prized game fishing. I say, let's save the sharks. Leave the comment "Save the Sharks" if you agree.